Costolotto Genovese, an Italian tomato. On to our tomato basket. And the figs are ready for harvest. This, and then there's another one there. And there are more. The June bugs are back too. The June bugs love the figs. Here. And there are more up there. Here are my fig harvests from this tree. Here are the tiny sunflowers from the same one. That one, the first one, was huge, and these are like just sprouting from the same tree. It's still like gorgeous, but smaller. These are the pears. Those are lemons. And then now we're going to harvest these tomatoes. Let's start here. This is huge. This is Nordic cream or creamy. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. There's another one here. See? Huge tomatoes. Gorgeous tomatoes. Let's put them here. Now let's harvest more. These are beautiful too. These tomatoes are Brad's atomic grape. Look. Brad's atomic grape. And then that one is green zebra over there. The green zebra, striped cavern are beautiful. These are midnight snack. Midnight snack. And then let's harvest sun gold. Oh, there's a bee. Let's harvest sun gold. No more midnight snack here, and then sun gold. I'm getting super hot now. There you go. Midnight snack and sun gold. Let's go to the other side. Oh, look at how beautiful. Look at the colors. Let's harvest the sun chocolate, or like sun chocola. There you go. Here's the sun chocola. There are more there. You see those? Those are sun chocola too. And we have the San Genovese. Costolotto San Genovese. Oh, this one is huge. Look. Oh, I wonder what this one is. Let's take a video from down here. You can see all those tomatoes. Beautiful. And here's our tomato harvest. Later, I'm going to harvest the basil. Look at this basil. And then the shiso. But later, when I prepare this. Let's check the nectarines if they are still okay. I know they are super ripe. Like, work has been like really super busy, and I didn't get a chance to harvest. They're probably gone now. There's one there, one up there, and there's one here. Those are bees, right? I didn't know that bees love nectarines. Look at those bees. Right? They are bees. And they are eating the nectarines. Amazing. They are honeybees. Oh, they are honeybees, that's why. I don't think they are the same bees that are in the flowers, I'm not sure. This is smaller. This one too. Let's just harvest them. We have 3, like they're over there. Oh, this one too started eating. And we have the grapes here. They're ready too. A lot of fruits that are ready. Summer is a season of bounty. Look at all those grapes. Oops. Here too. It's getting hot. Let's harvest the peaches. We have a lot of peaches that are ready to. Oh, and then I'll show you. I'm not sure if I'm going to harvest now or maybe later. That one. There's another one that I saw. There's one there. And there's one more here. See? So we have the nectarines and then the figs. Look, we have this. Taro. That's taro. These are the peaches. And over there, look at how beautiful. Peaches are so beautiful. Let's put this here. We have a lot here on this branch. Here's the one. Look at that. Homegrown peach. Beautiful. Right? There's more up there. I'll get this one too. Oh, this one is a little ripe. Let's put this down here. We have tomatoes here too. These are John Plum. I can harvest some to give color to the look at this. Oh, there are more there. This one is beautiful. Oh, wow. Another one here. This is so huge. Bigger than the other ones. Look at this. I have the tomato here. The tomatoes here. Look at this. Bigger than the other ones. Right? The tomatoes. Beautiful looking tomatoes. Our garden harvest today, we have the tomatoes, the nectarines, the figs, and the peaches. The shishito peppers. Because they're turning red now, which means they're like super ripe. I'm not sure if they are spicy when they are red or when they are green. These are shishito peppers. These are banana peppers. That one is padron. Padron is the Spanish most, like in Spanish, like in Spain, most favorite peppers, or maybe only in Barcelona, I'm not sure. But in Barcelona, it's very popular. And I see it in one of the restaurants where they say it's like Spanish most popular pepper. So let's harvest this shishito peppers. They are perfect on our dinner tonight. But after this, we are going to Little Tokyo to have sushi. The boys have been craving for like sushi for a while now. The shishito peppers are very prolific. And here's our pepper harvest. We have shishito and padron and banana peppers. Since 4 is not a lucky number, I added more. We have the tomatoes, the nectarines, the peppers, the peaches, and the figs. Now time to prepare our harvest. It's going to be more on salad, perfect on a hot summer night. So I'm going to make tomato salad. I'll probably grill some of the peaches, and I'm going to grill shrimp, saute this peppers. More on like simple, it's a simple dinner. Now let's grill the shrimp. So I have let's spray to make sure it doesn't stick. And here's our dinner from the backyard garden. We have the tomato salad. Look at this gorgeous salad from the backyard garden. And the peppers too from the backyard garden. And then the cucumber here. And then the peaches. And then we have shrimp, we have the peaches, and we have the mac and cheese bites. Let's eat.
This is my plate. It goes from red to yellow to green to orange to red again.
Yum yum, no healthy.